The exposure triangle. The exposure triangle is a visual representation of the relationship between ISO, aperture, and shutter speed. These are the three main components of exposure. This course is going to explain in detail what each one of these components do individually so you can better understand how to make them work all together. Think of your camera as a completely dark box, and the only way to let light in is with these three components: ISO, aperture, and shutter speed. All three of these components let light into your camera, and each do that in a unique way. You can relate it to a pie chart. When you take more light from one, it takes away from another. Understanding these components will help you understand how to get your total exposure, because each one of these components let light in, and they each have a consequence when they do. And that's what we're going to explore in this course. In the next segment, we'll start with understanding ISO.